Look at here, we're just diving. Out here on. Alright, let's go. Almost so clear here. This is a before and after video, so I'm going to show you what's over your hull that is clean, and show you your prop that is clean, and show you what the head finish also looks like too. So you see, here's your water line. This side right here is not clean. This side is clean. Go ahead and take a look right here. You can see this side is nice and spotless. It's clean. Over here, you see it's still dirty. Okay. Go show you your rudder. Go show you your prop. I left one of the props undone, where the props unclean, so you can see what that looks like too. We're good this side. So you have two glitters, so just we'll flip the dirty side. What it looks like. Thank you for diving.